Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here to take you to a lodge in a little town you might have heard of. It's called Sturgis, South Dakota. And this is actually Masonic Center, the Olive Branch Lodge number 47 here in Sturgis. And we're going to go inside and take a look around. We're actually having their meeting, their yearly meeting, which is called the Sturgis meeting. So we're going to go inside and try and take you with us and give you look around the building a little bit, and hopefully I'll get a video. And if you're seeing this, more than likely I got a video of the inside of this lodge room, and it should be pretty nice. My guess is going to be a whole lot of black shirts, which is why I wore blue, and jeans. I did wear jeans today because this is Sturgis week, and there's a place that's full of a lot of brothers that are traveling from all over the country to be here. So come along with us, because you've just entered the Coolest Life Masonic Edition. We are in, and this is the main area here that walking in. They've got a lot of historic things. They got Job's Daughters and Order of Eastern Star out here. They also got the past presidents or masters of the lodge here, and they got some past grandmasters. They got 4 of them from this lodge. But I want to take you in here and show you the lodge room before we fill it up. It is a beautiful lodge room, I must say. And so this over here, we've got the a really nice, I think I've seen this somewhere. This is about the size of a basketball, maybe a little bigger. See the extra chairs here. Sometimes the extra chairs are for Eastern Star. I'll show you where the senior warden sits here. It's a nice one there. Everything doesn't really match, does it, to everything, but they're all in really good condition. I really like them. That's one that's not glued down like the last lodge we saw. But I like the large 3 pieces here. Those are really cool. And with the lily work around the sign. I always like these 3 pieces because they don't make these anymore, and they're hard to find and hard to move if you want to send them somewhere. They got their jewels set up here on the side, which is not all that common that you see the jewels actually displayed, because that kind of comes from Eastern Star. It's really common to see Eastern Star jewels displayed if they have a group of Eastern Star here. Let's go to the map. Actually, let's go on over here to the junior warden. We've got the his matches the senior wardens, which of course difference there. Cool set. All that matches, because he doesn't have 3 chairs over here, just 2. He's also got a hole in the floor here for the staffs. That's not all that common. Normally they have a staff stand with most of these, but it's really cool. And they got some other pieces here. I want to show you this one here. That's pretty neat. And I want to show you the oldest one we have over here in the corner. This has actually got Master Masons that were governors of South Dakota. I don't think I've seen a list like this from other states or jurisdictions. I've never seen a single piece that's been displayed in a lodge that shows all the governors that are Master Masons, or Master Masons, yeah. So, have seen that one before? And here's where the secretary would sit. And I want to show you this one here. This is where the master sits. And South Dakota. You got a nice South Dakota flag there. Eastern Star flag there. Got as a podium. They got a chapter of Job's Daughters here. You don't see too many of those. Some states don't have any Job's Daughters. And of course they got their Eastern Star, and here is their charter here. Nope, that's Eastern Star. Their charter's on the other side. And you'll see the Tyler sword up here. Unusually, this is it's got the this is part of York Rite, but it's not the commandery side of York Rite. I only say that because of the triangle that's there. It's definitely a nice sword. Not very ornate there, but he's got this and pointed up. I like that. And this is another one of those 3 pieces here. And they got that lit up. Not normally you don't see those lit up when you're not at labor. And here is their honorable fraternity, their charter. It's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can find a ballot box. And I did find a ballot box. It looks like you might put a light up underneath that, but this opens up just like that. So the reason, although that's not a light, it makes it brighter under here. But they got a receptacle in the center. You see the centerpiece there. You drop that down. Find the ball there. That's nice. Make sure it's empty. That's neat. It kind of sets up by itself. There's no clicking mechanism or anything. There's just enough friction there to hold it open. I don't think I've seen one like that, especially with a clear top like that. That's really nice. I'll run down here and we'll take a look at the altar here. You get your 3 lesser lights here. I really like those. Seeing these bulbs all over the country, actually. I like the way they flicker. That's a nice piece there. Somewhat comfortable.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad.
Unless you spend 20 minutes there.
And you see, and there is a kneeling pad on this side, so maybe in some of their degree work they may or may not use the kneeling pad on that side, but I'm not going to talk about that here. This is a nice good-looking Bible here. Oh, look at the size of that one. Normally these are really small when you see these squares, but this one is, it's got some girth to it. It's nice. I really like it. And that's a nice Bible there. I'm going to take a look at it real quick.
Are we okay for now? You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just finished, but there's a nice Bible and yeah. Oh, there you go. It's definitely a Masonic Bible. Got some age to it though. I like that. It's cool. They're starting to file in here, so I'm gonna close this up. Really nice. Hope you enjoyed that tour of Olive Branch number 47 here in Sturgis, South Dakota. They're actually meeting out here. I had to get out of that room before they got too loud and they started talking Masonic stuff, and I ain't recording none of that, because if you hear that, you ain't heard it from me or one of my videos. But wouldn't be complete with Sturgis without seeing some bikes parked at the meeting, now would it? Come on, join these brothers, and they'll welcome you like they did me, which was definitely with open arms and a full belly, because we had a nice supper. I think it was Sloppy Joe's is what it was. It was pretty good. Almost like Sloppy Joe's with all the trimmings, cookies and everything. But come on out and join these brothers and meet them. We actually got a chance, had a big treat today. Got a chance to meet the current sitting most worshipful Grand Master of Masons in South Dakota. He's here visiting. Of course he is. Where else would you be during Sturgis week, the first week in August? You got to be in Sturgis. But be sure to like and subscribe and send this to your friends who've never been to this lodge. Maybe they'll come see it, because how beautiful it is. Maybe they saw some things in this lodge, maybe help improve their own lodge. Maybe some things they might want to buy. You never know. Let me let you go. So I need to get back out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.